Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add WhatsApp contact details on your Instagram story. So Instagram story have a new feature where you can basically add a WhatsApp sticker. So let me show you how to do this. So first go ahead and open up your Instagram app, tap on the plus sign, and we'll go ahead and tap on story to post a story. Go ahead and take a picture or upload a picture. Next, go ahead and use this sticker icon. From here, find WhatsApp, which looks like that. Now, to have WhatsApp on your Instagram story, you'll need your account to have WhatsApp Business. If you don't have WhatsApp Business, then unfortunately, you cannot use that sticker. So if you have a business, go ahead and transform that account into a business account. And then you can go ahead and send code. This will ask you to download WhatsApp Business. So go ahead and do this, and then you'll be able to add that WhatsApp sticker to your Instagram story. So there you go, guys. That is how to add the WhatsApp sticker to Instagram stories. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.